So the subject which was long pending, So hetero, what did you call it? Heterogeneous vibration. No? So now we start because we you ask the question. It is very mm, appropriate and applicable for the spiritual aspirant. So it's a not only that because for due to that because you asked that question, so that question is a help to quote some scriptural or all these things. So we sketch little more better way to relate to the food and body and mind. Okay, so actually the heterogeneous vibration, the heterogeneous is a use the many way also, the wrong and right way. It's a mix up, you know, mix up, which is not in the order. So is a mixing, is a too much things. So the original nature of the object or the energy of the object is get disturbed. Okay, so because the object is nothing, this object is nothing, but it's just the bundle of energy. Okay, so it may be the prana is a less working, but it's not is a absence of prana. Prana is there, but in the latent stage, in sleeping stage. Okay, so energy. If you will say the energy is everywhere, all pervading, omnipresent, almighty power. So that power not in the some particular place is a covered everything. So any object, if mixing too much, is a mixing vibration get disturb the original nature of the object. It's clear. So that's why India is very conscious about the food, and and they did lot of research upon that. That's why the Ayurveda is not a medical science. Ayurveda is the health science. Okay, so medical science is if the disease there, they cure the disease. But Ayurveda, there is no if any kind of the disease, they not cure the disease, but cure the cause. First, they try to find the cause, and then uh, remove the cause. Then, because the disease is the effect, it's not cause. So, the Ayurveda completely work upon the cause, not effect. So that's why the Ayurveda, you will not say the Ayurveda is a medical science, medicine science. It's a health science. So it's one herbs using the several disease in several way. You know, sometimes that they are using the poison for the so we are not taking it the Ayurvedic topic, so we are otherwise we distract, So now we start before starting that uh, in a Gita, in the Bhagavad Gita, mm, no, but first we start in the Lao Tse, Lao Tse is a Taoism. There is a one religion. It's a Tao. It's a they born in the China, and and it's a uh, see, when we talk about the food, then uh, we we take a little bit some. food energy. Now you see, the last time I told, the when you talk about the karma, that time I told about say the part of the body and organs is completely related to the previous life. So if the previous life we did any wrong thing or misuse any senses, that senses maybe will miss or maybe not proper work. Okay, so this is the body construct in that way. Okay, in the because in a not body construct with the sperm or womb in the mother is a uterus, but it's also there is a karmic pattern is a highly connected. If the karmic pattern will be not there, body is human body is not work, because they're not instantly working. There is intelligence is there. Okay, so now you will be see in the same thing, because the microcosm and macrocosm, we should not forget about that. When we talk about the dimension, we touch many little things. Now we will see uh, in this body also have the some area. It's a very high alert energy will be there. Some area the low alert low frequency will be there. So high alert frequency where will be there is a must is a the conscious is a much active. But where there is a low frequency will be there, the conscious in the might be in the sleeping stage. So it will be seen the part of the body. So those who are the more sensitive, है ना, that is a more energy will be there. You know, you will see the eye and nose. So eyes is a more sensitive part, and that's why you will be see that the energy field is a more gathered there, and the energy field, the magnetical field is broader, and it's a more energy will be there, and the high alert frequency will be there. So that's why we will see that if any accident will be happen, so broke the nose, not eye. Very rarely is a eye can get injured, because the energy level energy is here, you know. So energy push throw, if anything just to hitting, so that energy that energy push that in and reverse the direction. You will see the power play, those who playing in the power play yoga, you know. So the power play yoga, they are binding the iron piece through the just forcing through the eyes. Yes, you can see in the, so just from the eye, the take the iron piece from here, and then just forcing, pushing, and that iron piece get the mold bind. So because but they will not bind from the hand. So prana, when you hold the prana, then prana get gathered together in one place, and then prana push up, get push up. So uh, you know, when we talk about the um, aesthetic electromagnetic waves. So you should not forget about these things also. This is the aesthetic electromagnetic waves is a compared to the other part of the body. है ना? One is a dynamic, is a moving, all pervading of the body, but one is the aesthetic form. and that aesthetic form of the energy we can use in for in one way. I'm just giving the given example, eyes, but the many other parts also, the more sensitive and more energy level is there, energy field is there, and the high alert frequency is there. Got the point? So in the same way, you will be seeing the land piece of the land. Also, some area is very highly fertilized and productive land, and some area. So the nature of the food get changed according to land. Okay, so coconut, the northern India, they try to grow, but not success, because the salty water, the humidity in the soil, in the clay, is there is not salty water, salty humidity, but it's easy to grow in the south part of the India. But in the apple, it's easily grow in the north part, especially in the Himalaya zone, but in the not in the south. So the each and every food, they have a own nature. Okay, so that's why the Ayurveda written by the Indian herbs. Okay, Indian spices, Indian seeds, because this book, the Ayurveda born in this land, but now the smart scholar Ayurveda chart, they are just taking the some similar kind of the seed and food from the other continent, so they try to connect. Okay, so I just give you one example, like a Brahmi. There is a Brahmi, there is a one herbs. It's a very in India, it's a for the using for the brain purpose, uh, for the memory or something, sharpness of intelligence. And you will be see the junction is also used for the ginseng. Also there is a root of the maybe Africa or somewhere, I don't know. It's also using for the brain. So just we can see there's a food nature according to the land, the seed, food, and herbs. The nature get changed. Okay,
Yeah.
and if the nature get changed, the effect also will be in the different effect will be there. So is it clear?
Yeah.
The another thing, the shape of the food, shape.
Okay.
So shape of the food, it will be just observe. It's a meditate to see the food. Walnut is a
Mm.
complete is a brain, right brain and left brain.
Oh, yeah.
And that is that walnut is a helping you to it always help you to the upper side of the brain, and that is because the shape of the food is a connecting to the part of the body, like a cashew you can see, and some it's a like a kidney, or many other the what is for food and seed, you can connect, so that will be help, even the plants or vegetables. Also there is a if you see the shape of the food is also uh, to help to the that the shape of the which is the related to our part of the body. Okay. Now you see not only the land shape, there is a color. Okay. So color also very important. So some are the reddish color, some are the yellowish color, some are the white color. In the according to the color, because color generally in the how many color is there? Generally, you will be say the
7.
much more than 7. So it's a but in a Veda, it's a just accepting 3 color, not more than color, more than 3. So and the three of the color, only 3 color, you can using and exchanging that color, and then it's a magenta, multiple colors come in our there. But in the but generally in the rainbow, you are rainbow or some the sun rays we are connecting with the prism, and the see the 7 color the in the the when we are in the school life that the teachers show there is a 7 color, and they taught the 7 color. Okay. And that 7 color also connecting to the 7 planets. So they are connected, but the Veda is about the color. They're very accepting only 3 color, not more than that. The fire color is the red color. The flame of the fire, there is a red one element. Earth color, the muddy color. Okay. And the water color. So which color? Now you see the 3 color. It's a Veda is accepting 3 color. So any plant or flower, okay, or vegetables, which the earth element is earth plane, that there is a 3 color Veda accepting that, and that through the 3 color is a mixing. If the some muddy color, the earth color, the black one is dominated to the white. Okay. And maybe in the fire, the red color may be supporting to the white or not the black, and black dominating both of the color. Then the shape of the leaf, food, plant, and flower is a get changed. So the multiple color is a coming only from the 3 elements, because the 3 elements we have, we can handle, we can regulate, we can use that, and it's a reachable for us. Okay. So and all the color, that's why the you are engineer. So the science saying that the elements, more than 100 elements they are accepting, but Veda only 5 elements. And the all elements which is you are using that is connecting to the 5 only, because it's a confined, it's a condensed form. It's a natural color. Natural color is a 3 is there, and rest of the color is just using because of the dominating each other. How much the like a hydrogen and oxygen, so how much molecules the exchanging, in the same way the frequency of the waves, how much connecting to the that color manifesting. So now you see the color also very big what is called a hallucination game, uh, which you are showing the green might be the not green. It's because the eye is reflecting the eye, it's a green not accepting that. Okay. And the green not accepting, and rest color is inside. according to science, we taught like that, you know. So, and black absorbing all the color, white is reflecting all the color. It's not accepting anything. So, uh, is this according to color. So see, the color according to the color of the food and flower and seed is also connecting to our element. Now is here is it we just apply the common sense, not in the it's a particular law, okay, but just to understand uh, just in the common sense, in common vision is so if the color much dominating to the water, then white shape like a what is call it, mm, I have to check in English because I never later.
Yeah.
So you will be see the some color in the is a the shape will be the same, uh, but the color will be the different. Okay, and like a you know carrot, you know carrot. Uh, so and the carrot another is a white one. What is called it?
Not here.
Okay, see the color change and the nature change because that food is taking water dominating more, and is there is a fire dominating mode. Both is a growing under the ground and same season. That is the strange thing. The same climate in India, they are growing in a winter season. Now they are using in the because the science develop, so they are the summer also can use that, the and the rainy season they also they grow it grow up because of the they are using some chemical or something, you know. So the climate is the same, soil is the same, the nurturing of the farmer nurturing in the same way. No is the separation, but is and the shape is the same, color change and the uh, elemental value of the food is get changed. You understand what I'm wanted to tell you. So
Yeah.
so that color is a very so mm, color of the food, the shape of the food is a see how much is a research upon that. They our rishis did lot of research, okay, and when we go through that, and then you will be shocked ki, oh, which culture we are belongs, that is blessed. So the shape of the food, color, and uh, now you will be see the here, you know, the we are um, uh, age related, we are getting aged, you know, aged because of the gravity, because of the gravity. So if the one baby born and you put in the some no gravity force can will effect, and it's just moving around some in the space, maybe not moon gravity, not Jupiter gravity, not in the sun gravity, or not the earth gravity. That body, the baby body will not grow, and not get decayed. The same is it that will be in the constant form will be there. Form will be constant. We are from the baby to the growing, become elder and younger and elder and then older, because of the affecting the gravity pulling us. Okay, so you know the our Sanat Sant Kumar, they are the immortal saint. In India is a very immortal. Many of the immortal saint, they are the body not decayed. So they are always in the child form. There's a four brother from the Brahma, and that all are the is a like a little child. Is a less than 4 or 5 year old child. They always so they are the higher rishi, but and it's a myth, the myth about that brother. He is always move around, not staying anywhere. Okay, so the gravity is a very important factor in our life. Okay, and so uh, so also you will be see in the food is a connecting to the gravity force. How much gravity is a binding, consisting, and affecting and compressing the food. Okay, so the some seeds, some plants, some vegetables under the earth, grounded, the nature will be changed. You will see the potato and apple. Okay, potato, forget about that potato and apple, the potato and tomato. Okay, so it's a because the potato is a more under the ground, that the beet roots, which is the under the ground, that is the more gross energy will be there.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a more gross energy will be, more heaviness will be there. Yes, it's a helping your body part, but it's a more gross energy is there. So the nurturing your body more grossly. Okay, now see little bit though see you will be see that some. Okay, here I told you the very we just apply the common sense. Don't forget about the exceptional. Like I tell you, the onion and garlic, the very medicated value in our health science, and but they are grow up in the under the earth, under the ground, not above, but medicated compared to the medicated value more than the apple and the almonds. Medicated value is there. That is exceptional. Just to try to understand how the science of this, how it's connecting. So gross level of those who are in the under the ground is a more gross energy will be there. Is the surface of the ground and the above the surface, and you will be see corn. Okay, have you seen the corn
Yeah.
plant? Have you seen that?
Yeah. My grandparents grew them.
Okay. So corn is and the wheat and the rice and the wheat. Now we are coming to the seed, and so lentils, all these things. You will be see some kind of the lengths. These are the just above the ground, but it's not extending upon the plant, not extend upon himself, not extending individually. So that more gross energy will be there. Okay, so all kind of the lengths you will be see, the different will be there. Those vegetables is a little growing up, is getting up, and the shape, and you will be see is a more uplifting and breaking the force of the gravity, then shape that vegetables, that food is a help us in more subtle level also. Okay, so you will be see the rice and the wheat and the corn. See how is the plant is how it grow, and is a that flowering and the seeding, which will be in the up, not in the down shape. Okay, and so the corn is a more light food, and as well as is a healthy food also. Okay, now you can see the all kind of the dry fruits, apple, grapes, all these all food you can mentally you can exercise, and you can know that food nature. Okay, now I wanted to tell you one more thing to understand. Have you seen the flaxseed plant? Have you seen that?
No, I don't think so.
You must be see, then the class will be to clear to understand.
Okay.
So flaxseed is not more than um, 5 feet, not more than 3 or 4 feet. It's a 4 feet. But that flaxseed, uh, you can go Google and check it. The flaxseed plant.
I know about
Then you will be.
I know how the seed looks, but I don't know the plant.
No, the seed, but is it the shape of the seed? No, the flower of the mustard seed and the flax seed, the flower of the plant also you will the yellow color, very nice color. Have you seen the mustard plants seed or not?
Master plants I
No.
don't we don't have here.
Okay, so the mustard and the flaxseed both is a yellowish color. Okay, but the mustard flowering upward, but when the seed comes, then it's go down, because gravity pulling that energy will be different. That oil is a good for the massage, good for the stomach, pancreas, and something is there. Good medicated value is there. Mustard seed, but you will be see that the flax seed is a flowering upward and growing the seed in upward only, and the shape in the one shape of the flax seed, there is a many seeds will be there, maybe 10-20 seeds will be there, and that is the flowering, that the seed covered like a cocoon, it's like a pyramid shape. Okay, like a dome, and dome of the temple. See, just apply your intelligence. then you will be understand the beauty of the nature, how the nature teaching you, है ना? No laboratory need here. Nature teach everything. Now you see the growing and the shape with the is like a pyramid shape, and we talk about the pyramid, you know that, है ना? And that pyramid shape of the flaxseed is a omega is there. Okay, the mustard seed no omega is there.
Yeah.
The even the almond seed, almond oil also there, you know, options of the omega is there, almond. But that flax seed, and it's not much expensive in India, very cheaper. And India using the most the flax seed. They are using coconut seed, the flax seed, and the mustard seed. It's like that. Not sunflower. Sunflower also you can see that. Sunflower is how it's growing and reaching to the sun, in a facing to the sun. Okay, so that energy will be the different. So gravity is a breaking the force of the gravity and growing individually, independently, and the shape will be just the dome shape and the pyramid shape. The nature change the omega. Now you will see the omega in the salmon machli, fish. Have you seen the salmon fish, salmon science? Yeah, when I was the Alaska, uh, um, I saw there is a big exhibition, maybe many kilometer. They are just teach there that exhibition, that museum, not the exhibition, museum of to how to salmon grow, born, grow, and how to travel. Okay, so salmon uh, fish is a not height is a 3 or 4 feet. It's a bigger fish, maybe the 5 feet. But you will not believe he just move against the current. Always move the against the current and jump more than 10 to 15 feet. I
Wow.
saw 10 to 15 feet. He try several times. He maybe not success, but he try to jump and try to there is one against of the current, the river current, and jumping 10 to 15 or maybe 20. That is it. They jump in the very roughly a stone and then move in the against and reach to the ocean and back to the river. And so also you will be see there is a omega will be there. Okay, so omega. So what I'm trying and omega, what is helping you? Helping your brain. Okay, so that omega 3 or omega this and that, which we are talking about, that omega, but we not apply our brain to understand how the omega develop in the particular fish. In the omega you will not see in the whale and the dolphin. They are the bigger than many oceanic fish. You will not see that. But the little salmon fish, they have omega because of the clashing friction energy. Okay, and the friction, the continuous friction going on and breaking the gravity of gravity. The what is called it frequency, the breaking the gravity force of the earth, and then it should develop the different and subtle things, and which is we which is helpful for us. So just because the heterogeneous vibration, we I was thought better to discuss about the little bit about the food, and it's a it might be helpful for us. So uh, now shape I get, it's clear the shape, it's how the develop the shape.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can check the omega, what is it, salmon journey, and also you can check about the flaxseed, how it grow. Especially you can put in the Google the plant of the flaxseed, then you will be see that grow in the upward, not in the downward, and you will be see that in the it's a what is called, it's a mustard seed is a, this is downward, it's a floating upward, but it's a seed growing in the downward. So these things helping to understand the mystery of the nature. Okay, so now here the all kind of the foods, the body is a three elements, as I told you, the three color, and so the three elements, the five elements is there, but we are taking only three elements, because it's a, we can regulate, we can handle, we can observe very nearly. So the water elements and fire elements, heat elements, and the air elements. So this is the nature of the also the food. So some are the water, more water content, and more water elements will be there, less fire will be there. So according to the our suppose sometimes the you will be see uh, mm, those who are the water body, like a uh, water element dominating his body or her body, they're not fit, they're not fit for the cold food, which is it's a nature, it's a cold and a hell. These are not helpful for them. So some are the fire elements, that it's like a all kind of the dry fruits. These are the is a containing the fire elements. Okay, most of the dry fruits, like almonds, cashew, walnuts, all these things you will be see. Uh, but these are the dry food is a fire elements there, but also is a helping for the is a it's a fine energy is there. But the those who belong, the body belongs to the, if the body belongs to the pitta. So the three elements also connecting to the food. Okay, so which food body permitting us, which food body not permitting us, what kind of the body we have, we must know. Otherwise, just to read the food science, this will be helpful for this and that, this, it will be see the uh, uh, and the America, the salad. Oh, I love salad. But when we need to eat the salad, most of the people doesn't know. है ना? In the night time, now you see, night time you are taking the heavy food and vegetables or salad. It's the, because the chlorophyll not there, the sun, absence of the sun, is a body not creating the chlorophyll, and the absence of the sun is very hard to digest the salad and heavy food. In the night time, if you're taking the dinner, because the salad, the only that salad is good for the health, raw vegetables, but you don't know when we should eat.
So true.
So salad, if you are eating the night time, then it's a, what will be happen? the prana get involved to digest the heaviness of the salads and the all kind of the heavy foods. So the night dinner should be light. You know, if the some porridge or something you need, or maybe you take the one apple, that's enough. But it's a big salad, big plate of the salad, big ball of the salads. You are and also putting the some what is a dressing of the salad, and
Yeah.
that dressing, and that dressing is also much more heavy because the dressing prepared with the some uh, dry fruit putting inside, and then also the cream, you know, uh, and then make the dressing. This also is a very heaviness, and you are eating in the 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock in the evening. Do you think this will be help in the body? No, because my body not ready for that. So when we will take the sometime the cold and cough body, it's a yogurt not help, but the same time that yogurt, the fresh yogurt will be help you. The microwaves kill the value of the food, change the value of the food, the put the some ultraviolet rays upon that in the microwave in the food, and it get disturb the body. But it's a very easy. You are using the microwave. Can you imagine our craziness? Though one people are taking the food with the hot plate and cold drink, and combining even the your enzymes of the teeth, saliva, and vocal cords and other things is not connecting with the food and this cold. So most of the most of the people you will see, I saw in the West Indies, people are not much educated because they migrated from the Africa and some from the India or somewhere. You know, the labor class people are there in some little country. You know, I have visited many country, and they are uh, not know anything about that, and just hot food like a chicken or pork or anything they cook, and the same time heat up ice water, or maybe Coca-Cola put in the ice. The Coca-Cola is a brought it from the fridge and put in the one ice cube. No, so more ice and more hot, and they are eating. The Do you think body will be help work?
No.
No, it's just poisoning, intoxicating our body. So fridge food, uh, actually, honestly, if you ask me, then I will tell you this body not for the cook food also. The body is a completely the nature of the body is just raw food and vegetables, seeds, and a sprout. Up to a sprout level you can go, and then maybe a steam. But India love too much to put in the spice, like a herbs, and they make delicious food.
Maybe too
So,
many now.
so, so it's a also in the world they are using in the own taste. But we can't stop all these things. But we know that how much food is helping us and which is not. Now here we wanted to connect here because our topic is a yukta har viharasya. right food, right behavior. The right food, right behavior, right attitude, right attribute depend upon the right food. So we not escape the food science in the path of the spirituality. So you will see the intestine of we have the big intestine. You see the animal, those who have the big intestine and those who have the shorter intestine. Shorter intestine is a non-veg animal, and bigger intestine is a vegetarian animal. See the nature of the animals, like a cow, elephant, goat. These are the, you will be see that they will take the water to just suck, drink. But the non-veg animal, the lick the water,
Yeah.
licking like a dog, cat, lion, whatever. And when they sleep, they will sit comfortably. The vegetarian animal folded leg, and non-veg animal is a spread the leg, because if the fold the leg, the intestine get rest, because those who are the bigger intestine. But those who have a shorter intestine, it's very uncomfortable to sit in the folded leg. So see that this such a science of the body. So we are in the comfortable when we are folding the leg in the asana or something. Longer we can sit, no? Hours together, years together, and may our rishi sit in the millennium, the century. No, it's just a folded leg. No food is there, no food. And if you know, if you know the how to generate chlorophyll in your body through the external element of the nature, you no need physical food. The most of the saint, they connect to the sun rays, or connect to the universal prana. No need food. Body need very less food. Okay, most generally body need very less food, but we just the habit pattern, and that is a conditioning. We are so conditioning कि we need 3 meal. I'm honestly, I tell you, I uh, I don't know when I was teen age. That time my mother will feed 2, 3, 4 times. That is the different thing. But when I grow my independently, I never had the 3 meal. If I had breakfast, heavy breakfast, then I can escape the lunch. Or most in now I'm the 50, but I tell you, very rare I had the dinner. Very rare. Maybe the social dinner, you can say that. Social. Even sitting in the somewhere and just some party, or that's why we are escape to celebrate social celebration. We not comfortable that, because our routine get disturbed. So see, the when the absence of the sun, the prana get involved to digest your food. Okay, and presence of the sun, prana very less burn and rest, and the sun helping us more to digest. So salad all the heavy food we can take in the before the sunset. Okay, that will be more helpful. Luke water also will be help to after the meal you can take before, but it's not the fridge water will not work. Okay, so now slowly we are uh, now heterogeneous vibration we are still not reaching there, but slowly I will now here mm, many a story is a flashing in my subconscious mind. Might be I will be share you. You know the food how much affecting in India the saintly people. There is many cult, many path is there. So they are very conscious about the preparation of the food. So when they are the intense sadhana, they not allowing himself to someone to prepare food for him. Maybe prepare he's a committed disciple, or that he has to be the celibate and pure, not impure. Okay, or uh, mm, uh, if he is in the house, then the mother can prepare for the food, or maybe he can prepare himself the food, not for others. So other hand should not to be touch the food. You know, Swami Vivekanand ji, when he was the intense sadhana before the supramental conscious, Nirvikalp Samadhi, and the Ramakrishna is he was doing the intense sadhana under the guidance of the his master Ramakrishna Paramahansa. And Ramakrishna Paramahansa instructed him, listen, from today you don't eat any cooked food from the any other hands, especially ladies. Okay, if you need hungry, you want to cook, you can cook, and if someone to cook you, then only your mother can cook, no other one. So you can eat the cooked from your mother, cooked by your mother, or you cooked by yourself. That during the intense period of the sadhana, when he was ready to attend the final liberation, salvation, or final ultimate stage. And that time a special precaution was there that you don't take the uh, food which is cooked or unknown people, unknown. So now uh, food, the source of the food also very important. Okay, if someone that's why the wandering one kind of the monks in India, the wandering. So instantly he say just he attend the any door, any house, and they ask the for food. Okay, unknown house, house is non known to me, to him, unknown, and he just stand and then ask, pray, for food, and then maybe housewife come and offer some bread or something, maybe cooked, or maybe fruits, or maybe seed, or anything, uh, and he eat, and then he say move somewhere, because that food he is just asking, no emotion connected. Okay,
Yeah.
try to understand. So it's a no emotion is there, because it's a one beggar in your house asking the food, and he just unwantedly, because he need, he just you given someone apple or this, emotionally you are not connecting. So the the monks are very conscious about to not to connect to the emotional of the any householder, housewife. Okay, so just instantly he can stand, just all of the sudden, that's why he can just move all the day, and the five, he can ask the five house, any randomly, he can ask the five house, and he can get the plenty of food, and he can eat it. So no emotion exchanging. So emotion not disturbing, no compassion, no aggression, no mercy, because he need food, he can get it, because without exchanging. Okay, because if the someone feeding you continuously, okay, your mentality get changed. If suppose I'm earning, say, in the very black source, black way, okay, and the black money is there, and I'm then just feeding you, and you are just I'm feeding is a very delicious food, all these things, and you not know the source of the which source this food coming, that is a connecting to the source also affect your conscience and disturb your conscience, pull your conscience. You know, in India, most of the charity, the bhandara, which is, they feed the sadhu. Okay, the uh, because if you are the monk, you have not bothered about to the how to get the food easily to receive the food, any pilgrimage, any ashram, anywhere, any village, maybe not mega city, but in any village you can get the food, because if you are the maybe the so-called monk, you can get the food. Okay, so because people want to offer, donate the food. Okay, there is a two way. One is a life saving, to save the life. One is a just you are purifying your black energy, black which is you are earning in the black source, is a purifying that, because the monk will be take the food, the some amount, the heaviness of the impurity of your earning of the money get released. So the most of the people, they are very not only curious, they are search, seeking opportunity when I get the chance to the serve the monk. So the lot of the charity work going on, because of the they are they try to offer that. So which source you are taking? You know the once a time, the story of the Mahabharata, when the Bhishma is a forefather of the Arjuna, is lay down on the bed of death, and that time he revealing the very highly wisdom, and the five Pandava with his wife Draupadi was seated there. Okay, and no, it's standing there, and then they are listening very receptive way. And when the Bhishma is the wisely, he say, expressing the wisdom, and that the Draupadi could not stop her laughing, and then she laughed. He says a smile, and then Bhishma noticed that why she is smiling, because someone giving the sincere talk and seriously, and one can smiling bitterful, then it's a doubt comes, and then Arjuna just try to stop her. He should not. This is a disregard to the higher one. He should not. And the Bhishma told, you are rightly smiling because she smile because when he was the past, if you know the story of the Mahabharata, then once a time the parliament is a the parliament was there. It's like a king parliament, and that time the Draupadi asked forcefully by the because his uh, husband lose her, in the gambling, so and so forcefully ask her to come in that house where there all minister are seated there, the all wise and the scholar people are there, and that they will force negative force try to naked her. Okay, there is a big story, and so that time she humbly uh, ask help to all of them, and that time the Bhishma also was the seated there, and he asked what your dharma telling you, and that Bhishma keep quiet there. Okay, he not answer anything. And why the Draupadi is smiling here? Because he told ki that time, now you are revealing the big, the high wisdom. And where was the wisdom that time when the devil force trying to pulling me to naked me, to is a forcefully they try to put me in the naked. So that time where your dharma was there. So that is it's a subconscious mind. Her thought came, and she smiled. And the Bhishma answered that, when I was kept quiet because of I had taken the impurity food from that kingdom, because that they will force, and the food is a too much is a clouded to my conscious, and cover my intelligence, and disturb our discrimination faculty. So even though I know that, but I not express that. But now the bow arrow of the Arjuna is a help to draw the impurity blood. All blood is gone, because now this body is not. You will go to a story, then you will see that that blood, the impure, which is contained by that food, which is from the devil force, and now is no more. So now the crystal clear wisdom coming through me, I'm now able to express, because of that impurity blood is not remain in my body. So see how much is a big connection with the food. So impure food, the source, which source you are taking the food, this is also very important. Now slowly you understand the heterogeneous vibration.
Yeah.
Now
17.
you will be seeing there is a one important a story. It's not a story. It's a there is a culture in it's a custom in the Indian tradition, in the culture. The menstrual ladies, those who have the menstrual period, they will be not go to the kitchen and cook the food for the hired one.
Why?
Okay, so see, just try to understand that the beauty, the so subtle energy. It's a I'm not here to confuse you. I'm here to clear you to gross to the subtle, gross to the subtle, and subtle to the subtler than subtle.
Yeah.
Okay, how much food is a connecting? So see here, the during the period, okay, so impure blood is a uh, decayed cell. Is a releasing the form of the impurity blood. Okay, and decayed tissues, the egg, and that impurity blood is splitted. Okay, that is the um, uh, mm, eh, what is called the impurity of the blood is electrical electrons is splitted,
Oh, yeah. I understand now. Yeah.
and it's when it is splitted, the electrical electrons, because if the part of your this is your subject of the electrical science, then you can understand, and that electrical electrons gather to the her hairs. Okay, so you will be see the maybe the ladies from the west or maybe ladies from the east, maybe India or maybe Europe. The after the period she will be wash the hand because she could feel the heaviness, heaviness in the hair, and hair is not by dead cells. It says just connecting. And the ladies estrons, the hairs represent the estrons and highly connecting to the lower part of the body. Okay, and so electrical electrons gather together to the his her hairs. Okay, and when she will be cook, because the cook is a so sensitive things, so it's a that electrical electrons directly affect to the food and get impure. So the most of the ladies who those who regard honor, if she had the period, she will not cook for through the higher one like a guru, like a big holy person. They will not cook. They not enter to the. Yeah, she can cook for the her children because the children used to that. It's a born from there, So just so she try to see the how subtle science is there. So now the is a condemning the one group of the people. Oh, that the Indian, I say especially Hindu, not know how to respect the ladies. This is a very natural phenomena, and then it's a separating and abusing the femininity and the ladieshood. It's not like that because that not know the science, what the science behind it, and just mind playing the game. Just you told just you asked me why. It's just like a karamba, but you are the this same subject, so you quickly understand. When I told the electrical electron, and you quickly understand, oh, electrical electron. Yes. So now you will be see, and now we are coming to the same point, the heterogeneous vibration. So the source of the food, nature of the food, we talk about the many things. Now you will see your thoughtron and your action is not connecting, then the nature of the food will be get changed. Mother cook for the children, so lovingly compassion is there. So the same food, like a dal fry you are taking from the restaurant, okay, like a any kind of the food from the restaurant, and your family, your wife cooking for you, your mother cooking for you, the taste and the energy level will be changed. The taste of the food change, quality of the food will be changed. Okay, so the restaurant people are just doing their no emotion connecting, no feeling is there. They are doing the duty. Okay,
Yeah.
they just they only know the recipe and proportion, but maybe the feeling, maybe maybe the negative, maybe the boss is scolding him, and then maybe he's too much negative, and the so all negative connect to the food. Okay, so the energy get disturbed. So uh, the monk told कि heterogeneous vibration disturb the foods. That's why we are not taken the during the journey. That is the your subject was there, no? Your question was there. What is the heterogeneous vibration and
Yeah.
how is it connecting to the food? So, mm, so if I'm cooking for to the some beloved one, those who I'm loving, my thoughtron, my thought process will be very different. Maybe the salt a little bit more, or maybe little less, but the food quality, the energy, the prana which I investing, that will be the different from the restaurant, different from the other foods. So uh, one plant grow, the farmer bring that plants, that thought is helping. That's why the thoughtron, because we are not taking the non-veg, because the non-veg is a thoughtron of the animals. Okay, it's a connecting to the bones and flesh. And when you take that chicken and pork and beef, especially red meat, that is a completely thoughtron of the animals. Is it try to connect to your discrimination faculty, and you become aggressive, anger, frustration. Those who have the very hardcore red meat, like a pork or chicken, they are very aggressive people. You can find it. Maybe muscles they are very strong, but it's mentally they are very maybe crazy. Most of the, and that's some disease also they are borrow from the animal. Like a free range egg is the different, and the portrait egg is the different. So so life, if you want to, what is the spirituality? We are here. You are investing your time honestly. What for? For to attain the Almighty and the divinity. And divinity means impure. You have to leave the impurity. Right? Then more purity. Without purity, we are not deserving for the spirituality. We will not walk. So for the purity, in order to gain the purity, we must understand the surrounding, how, which kind of the vibration we are attracting that. So people bringing the food, cooking, and then serving you, the 3 or 4 people is connecting the, it's just one plate of the food. And that one plate of the food, that all thought connecting to the there. I tell you, the water easily catch your thought. Simple water easily catch your thought. So just you any kind of the thought you can apply, you can mm, put in the water, and that water work according to water get changed, the molecules get changed. Simple water. If you have the one glass of water, just you put the one glass in the negative thought, one glass of the positive thought, you will be see the molecules of the water get changed easily. I think is it clear your heterogeneous vibration of the food
Yeah.
science?
Yeah.
I think it's clear.
So
Any more? Any more thing is there, but I think this much okay today.
it's
No.
starting for me. It's a start because when I first read the information,
Mm-hmm.
I was like, okay, maybe heterogeneous is what I know what is in a science way, but in the food way, I was like, okay, maybe he's in a train, maybe because of the moving, maybe I did not
Yes,
understand.
yes.
Yeah.
This is the heterogeneous
So
vibration. So the meaning of the word. Meaning is that's very simple.
yeah.
But it's a connecting to that is a very complicated. So if I say the heterogeneous, now I give the some detail which is very authentic, very valuable, and applicable. And applicable not for here and now, it's for that time memorial. Maybe after 1 century also that this science will be the same. So I think this is the heterogeneous vibration. That's why the monk are very conscious about the food. Okay, because the purity is a food connecting to your purity and